Hey guys, this is Levi the Boss, hashtag 1360. I'm pretty sure all y'all guys are gonna be knowing what's gonna be in this video, so I got this VTuber Yuuka bear to you'll see it just a sec.
Can you do the NOKIA ringtone sound?
The ringtone sound. Oh, where is it? I had a comment right here. It says, "Can you do the Nokia ringtone?" Because she was like mimicking like sound effects and stuff. And this happened.
Can you do the Nokia ringtone sound? No. I don't remember what a Nokia sounds like. I'm too old. I've been given the ringtone.
Oh, here it is.
Okay, wait. I've been given the ringtone for Nokias.
Oh God, here it goes.
How am I meant to make such an electronic noise?
Oh my God, she sounds so broken.
How am I meant to make such an electronic noise?
Sounds like a freaking goat about to have an exorcism. Oh my God.
I'm meant to make such an electronic noise.
I can't stop this.
Is that good enough?
Yes, it's good enough. Okay, I'm gonna end this video, guys.
I'm not in